Hey guys, you know that feel when people know you're just a poor rice boy so they give you that free chicken on your birthday? Well, Rice Boy knows that feel, and today he's going to learn you how to turn that chicken into some super easy gourmet 3 cups chicken. Let's do this. Alright, let's take a look at the ingredients. First, we're going to use our big boy garlic here. And then we're going to have our cool boy ginger. And as usual, we're going to have one of our smoking hot boy chili. And then today we're going to invite our Thai homie basil here. Make sure you have plenty of these. They're big flavor in this dish here. And then we're going to have our nice skin-on, bone-in chicken thigh. Now we're going to try to get that nice juicy chicken here. That's why we're going to be using them thick thighs, okay? Okay, for a sauce we're going to use our old boy soy sauce here. And then we're going to have that cooking wine in here. Now you can use whatever cooking wine you want. Okay, this is what I'm using though. And then we're going to have our nice gutter sugar here. Alright, before we do anything, let's go ahead and get that rice started here. Next, let's prep the chicken. I'm going to be using this cool Asian knife I found on Amazon. Alright, I'm going to show you some straight Wu-Tang Clan shit over here, alright? Here we go. Yeah, you see that? Alright, hold up. God damn it. Alright, well, I guess I ain't a real rapper. I mean, I'm not a real chef, so I guess I'll just have to use my wooden knife instead. Alright, so we got our cut chicken here, and this is about the size you want them to be, okay? Nice generous bite sizes. Next, we're just going to casually dice our garlic and slice our ginger here, and we're also going to mince our chili. Alright, let's get started. Go ahead and just start a fire, and then we're just going to heat our oil. Now we're going to use just a little bit of oil because we're going to get more of that from the chicken fat, okay? Okay, once our oil is ready, let's put the chicken in first. For the pieces that still have their skin on, we're going to put them skin down first. Okay, so we can start getting the fats from it, and also lets us get that nice seared and roasted skin. Now the whole point of putting the chicken in first is to get that nice sear on it, as well as slightly drying it out a bit so it can soak up the seasoning later. And we're going to flip them here and there and make sure both sides are nice and seared. Alright, once they're seared in a good spot, we're going to go ahead and just push them aside here and just let all the oils gather in the middle. See how much oil we're getting right now? There we go. And then we're going to go ahead and put our garlic and ginger in there and start browning them there. After we got that nice brown, let's go ahead and just mix that up. And then it is time for the sauce. Alright, let's go ahead and put our soy sauce in there first, just on the sides there so we can get that nice roast on the way down. And then we put in our cooking wine. Just a little bit more here, there we go. And then we'll put in some sugar. And go ahead and just mix it up real good. Now you want to be quick with this here because you want to go ahead and cover it up before all the wine evaporates. Let's go ahead and just cover that baby up and just let it steam for a little bit. And by a little bit, I mean at least about 5 minutes so that your chicken can cook all the way through. And throughout this whole thing, you can have your heat to about like medium or medium high. Just make sure it doesn't burn your sauces that's inside. Now you were wondering why this is called 3 cups chicken. It's because traditionally it's supposed to have a 1-to-1 proportion of 3 ingredients. Soy sauce, cooking wine, and sesame oil. Now I ain't a rapper or anything, but for Rice Boy, the sesame oil doesn't really do anything here, so that's why we're leaving it out, okay? Alright, looks like our sauces are done reducing, and look at that simmer. Go ahead and just mix that up, and you can really see that color just starting to set in on that chicken there. Alright, once we got that mixed good, we're going to go ahead and add our chili peppers and mix that as well. Then we'll bring out the Thai basil homies here. Now I like to sort of just crush the basil a bit before dropping them in, to really just break out that basil aroma in the mix. And then we're just going to mix it real good. Now this might look like a lot of basil, but even if I'm not a rapper or anything, trust me, it's going to look good. And this is what it looks like when it's just about done. Lovely. Let's go ahead and just plate this bad boy here. And there it is, Rice Boy's 3 cups chicken. Now, if you're into that 3 cups, 1 chicken stuff, you do you, but be sure to do that like and subscribe for some more, alright? Now, obviously, we're not going to just straight eat chicken by itself. No. We're going to be rice boys here, okay? Now, you can do whatever kind of rice you want. Brown, 10 grain, quinoa. And look, I ain't a rapper or nothing, but white rice is going to be the optimal choice here, okay? You know, growing up, my folks always wanted me to be a doctor or a lawyer, but you know what? Look at me now. Still not a rapper.